extend a heartfelt welcome to all our distinguished guests for Highbrow College's crowning ceremony of 2023.
I vow that I will proudly serve my fellow Phoenixes with integrity and become an impeccable role model for all my fellow peers throughout this academic year. Congratulations, you are all now officially the members of the Highbrow Students' Council. A big round of applause for them.
I get to work along with him because I know we can make Highbrow the best this year, the best year for you guys.
I want to express my deepest gratitude to my voters, my peers, my friends who supported me in the campaign, entrusting me with the responsibility.